Hi, this is Emmanuel. I'm the author of the AI Pocketbook. Over the past few months, it seems like a lot of engineers are a bit confused about AI and this revolution of generative AI. Will I lose my job because now AI can code? How can I remain relevant as an engineer in this AI era? But also, how do I use AI? Why does AI make mistakes? Lots of questions that have been asked by engineers. So I thought it would be good to put together all my thoughts and answers to those questions in a book. The first chapter explains how AI works, but it's a little bit opinionated. So we answer questions like, why is it more expensive to use AI in French than in English? That kind of thing, different angles. Chapter number 2 covers hallucinations. Why does AI make these very silly mistakes sometimes? Chapter 3 is about jobs. How can I protect my job? Chapter 4 is a sort of checklist of when to use or not to use AI, right? Sometimes AI is not the best solution. Chapter 5 is how to use AI. There will be a number of tips to make decisions like, should I fine-tune a model or should I use an off-the-shelf model? Or how can I validate a model? Or even what's regulation like regarding AI? And the final chapter is the fine print. We'll discuss a few controversial topics like copyright or energy consumption. So I hope you enjoy the book and it will hopefully help you out with answering some questions about your career as a software engineer.